Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a daily makeup routine where I am using no foundation, and it's just an easy way to apply eye makeup in the summertime where you don't want to use foundation. So I'm starting off with some MAC Prep and Prime. It's called Skin Refine Zone Treatment. And because I have super oily skin, this is a way to keep my skin oil free throughout the day. So next, I like to go in with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder on my eyebrows to kind of set them so that they remain oil-free throughout the day as well. So you can clearly see that I am an official member of the No Eyebrow Gang. I don't have very much eyebrows, but I have to create them from scratch. And I like to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, which of course is my wonderful name. You can clearly see a big difference from the eyebrow that I created versus my huge lack of eyebrows. But again, in makeup, you can create just about anything. So you got to work with what you got. All right, so now I'm going to clean up under my eyebrows using my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the color NC45. And while I'm applying this concealer, I like to drag it down a little bit to my eyelid as my eyeshadow base. So the purpose of using a concealer under your eyebrow and or over your eyebrow is for a nice, precise eyebrow shape. Now I'm going to go in with my buffing brush to buff it out, of course, and then drag it down to my eyelid again as my eyeshadow base. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC Eyebrow Styler in the color Spiked. I like to use on top of the gel to give me a little more longevity throughout the day, where my eyebrows are not smudging and leaving me. So most of the time I like to use my RayeRaye eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. And I really, I don't use a lot of heavy eyeshadow during the week, the work week specifically. I just pretty much try to go for a nice nude natural look, and I use the color Brick as my transition color, followed by Bark in my crease, and then I put a little top notch on my lid. I just like to keep it as simple and neutral and light as possible. Not a lot of heavy colors during my everyday work week makeup look. So after I apply the color to my lid, I just kind of like to go back through the 2 previous colors that I use to make sure everything is blended seamlessly. Now I'm going to apply my winged liner using the NYX Matte Liquid liner. I have been using this forever and I absolutely love it. It is like my #1 favorite. Now I really do try to keep it less dramatic during the week. Sometimes I'll make a mistake and I gotta make it more dramatic than it should be, but most of the time I like it less dramatic as possible. So I typically wear these Ardell Demi Whispies lashes during the week, and I use Beauty Supply Super Hold glue. I've already applied the glue, and while the glue is drying and getting a little tacky, I go ahead and sculpt my lashes using the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. So my lashes are now applied, and I am just making sure that my natural lashes align with the false lashes. I'm probably going to do a whole nother video on just applying lashes because I've been asked that a couple times. So I'm using these makeup wipes to get any fallout from the eyeshadow from underneath my eye and then clean up this concealer area since I'm not using foundation. Then I like to take my finger and blend out the edge of that concealer so that there are no harsh lines and everything just kind of blends in with my skin. I realized I wiped off my wings, so I had to do a little wing repair over here. So I am now skipping the foundation step and going straight to the lips using my black Radiance lip pencil. It's actually an eye pencil that I'm using on my lips, and I'm just going to add some gloss for a nude natural look. All right, y'all, so I am done. This is such an easy process for me without having to use foundation. You know, just focus on the eyes and the eyebrows and you are good. And of course the lips, and you are good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will catch you in the next one. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.